in 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Kirkwood free ride. Dylan Hoover dropping into his final run of the competition. He's third run, start to last. He doesn't care, he's stoked. Coming in, looks like Flying Panda, right off there. Holding on to it, insane. Coming into Doug Zone, classic line. He goes up, not being able to hold on to it, unfortunately. That will do it for Dylan. The only thing I would rather have than Smith sunglasses is a pair of Smith goggles. Did Smith make outerwear? If they did, I bet it would keep you so dry you could dive in the Arctic Ocean with it. Okay, here we go. The last few athletes up there. They've been out there for hours. It is cold, it is windy.